How to hide likes on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can hide likes on your post on Facebook. Well, the process itself is quite simple and easy, and it's quite simpler to do so on your device, your mobile device, on your Android or iOS on the Facebook application. So first things first, you want to open up your Facebook application and you want to tap on the menu option at the top right corner of your screen. Now here you'll get the settings or the gear icon at the top right. Again, as you can see there on the screen beside the search icon, simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, once you're under settings and privacy, if you scroll down below here under preferences, you'll get the option that says reaction preferences. As you can see there below the newsfeed, reaction preferences right here. So you want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see there are two different options, that is hide number of reactions. The first option is to hide on posts from others. You won't see the total number of reactions for others post that they share on the newsfeed. And the second option that you can see is on your post, and under it you can see other people won't see the total number of reactions on the post you share to your profile. So all you have to do is you'll have to toggle this option on that says on your post, and others won't be able to see the number of likes on Facebook or number of reactions on your Facebook post on Facebook. So this way you can hide likes on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.